Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be opening up this box of Pixar. I got my little guy right here. He is my mascot. Hopefully he brings me good luck. But we're going to be opening up a box a day for about 144 days. That's 8 cases worth of this. So hopefully you join me for the ride. This is the packs. They come like this. Once a week, I'll be giving away 5 lucky people a free pack plus a few extra cards and a few other goodies. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be picking the winners out of the comments. So make sure you're commenting every day. Hopefully every day. Anyway, let's get started. Let's get right into the box. This is the way the box comes, and this is my first video. I will go a little bit slower than I normally would, but yeah, let's just get right into it. Here we go. I'm doing this off my cell phone because my regular camera it's getting a weird glare, so I decided just to do this off my cell phone. So hopefully the quality is up to snuff. This is how the box comes. Sometimes this will say winner, and that means you'll get a special card, a special number card either here or out of here. These are the slabs. Every box comes with this awesome slab. It's either a 3D card, a special card, something called an Easter egg, which of course I will show you later, but try not to make these videos very long. There are 10 packs, so let's get ripping. And just to make sure, sometimes they fall under there. But let's go. First pack. Let me move these. These are my giveaways, so but I'll be giving away a lot of cards. So let's go. First one. We have an upside down Finding Nemo. That does not help. You can see these cards are super premium. They are super thick. So yeah, these cards are really, really nice. We got a Carl Fredrickson's. These are called Pixar 37th Anniversary Oscars. So if you want to pick some up, I do have some in my store. I know they're hard to get in America because these are Asian exclusive. We have a Nemo. So I actually bought an extra case. I bought 10 or 9 cases, so I actually can share and be able to sell you some if you wanted some. So just go to plushgamesandmore.com, and if you want a case, or not a case, if you want a box, get yourself a box. These 3D lenticulars are awesome. Hopefully they're showing up really well in the camera. There's 3 different poses. We got a Russell. Yeah, really nice cards. Now we got ourselves a Buzz. These are the common cards right here. And then we go to silver, and then there's gold, and then there's red, and then actually goes to black. I'll do a video on the classes of these cards later, but these are really sweet cards. And you know me, I like to do plush, but these cards really caught my eye, so I decided, what the heck, let's get into these cards. Oh, look at this. This is the Incredibles family. I don't think I even have this card, and I've opened up a lot of items, or a lot of packs, I should say. There's a ham. I'm going to be doing a video a day, so I'm going to try to make these quick. This one's going to take a little bit longer because I'm kind of introducing you guys. There's a Joe Gardner and a Slinky Dog. Oops, missed one. It's stuck there. That's just a checklist. So yeah, if you want to see it, you want to translate it, do Google Translate it, go ahead And there's the, so if you want to check them out. That one did not want to come out. A lot of people cut these. I don't like cutting them. I like fighting with them. There's a Jesse. And we have a Lotso Bear. Merida. And I will be making sets down. If you just want to buy a set of like all the Toy Story or all the Brave or all the Incredibles, I'll be just making sets. Got Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head and Jack Jack. Yeah, so I'll have all these ready for you to buy. Whoops, I almost killed the cards. Alfredo, Linguini, and Lasses Forky. Alright, let's see what's in our encased. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Like I said, every box comes with something sweet like this. This is the 3D Incredibles. Some will have like it has like an embroidery patch. Those are limited. But yeah, these are really awesome cards. And they're premium cards, so yeah, that's it. That's sweet. Can't ask for more than that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I'm going to list some cards for you. Come on down. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.